If you've ever thought about working in today's manufacturing, you need to find out about the College of Technology. Here's how it works.
The students, in essence, complete the first 2 years of study at one of their local community colleges. The idea was that they would take these courses at a community college, complete an associate's degree either in the technology studies or in engineering science.
They would have an associate in science, in engineering science when they finish, so they have a 2-year associate's degree. And in the technology pathway, they have an associate of science in technological studies.
And all of those credits would seamlessly articulate with a receiving 4-year university.
I started in a community college at Norwalk taking engineering courses. I ended up getting an associate's degree in engineering science and then transferring to the University of Hartford.
I started my education at Gateway Community College in New Haven. I was in the College of Technology Pathway program. I worked on an Associate of Science in Engineering, and then when I graduated from Gateway, I transferred up to UConn to finish my undergraduate in engineering.
Students who come from the community colleges, there is practically no difference in terms of their capability. When they come here, they perform very well and they graduate with their degrees in flying colors.
And now I'm a full-time engineering faculty member at Gateway Community College. Hopefully within the next year and a half, 2 years, I'll have a PhD in engineering from University of Connecticut.
At the beginning, when I started at the University of Hartford, I thought, okay, I come from a community college, it's not the same expectations, maybe this is gonna be harder, maybe they expect more from me, maybe my preparation is not at the same level as they were, but I was completely wrong. I felt even more prepared because I had a closer interaction with the professors at Norwalk Community College.
Gateway was like having an engineering school in my backyard. It was a short drive, 15, 20 minutes away. I didn't have to, move my whole life to do it, and I was able to get the first 2 years of UConn, all full credit, for just, a few $1,000s.
You get a tremendous value for your tuition dollar. I've had students come back to me from their 4-year colleges having been very happy here at Middlesex and had a very positive experience at their 4-year college, but said that the small class size, the student-teacher interaction was just a tremendous value.
Not only can you transfer credits from Connecticut community colleges to select 4-year universities, but you can also earn college credits in high school programs. The Project Lead the Way program is just one example.
Through the College of Technology, there's 4 courses that Project Lead the Way offers. And if a student decides to take those 4 courses in high school, they'll get credit through the College of Technology, through any community college in the state of Connecticut, and also through a participating institution here in Connecticut and outside of the state as well.
If becoming an engineer isn't for you, you can still be challenged and earn a good living through the College of Technology's associate degree programs in engineering and technology. Photonics technicians, for instance, are in demand in today's manufacturing.
Photonics is really interesting because we work with light, which is something that you can see, you perceive. It's not something that is mysteriously hidden in wires. I mean, we have laser beams that are visible, and the effects are truly beautiful in some cases. And it's just a lot of fun because every year it's different. I've never taught the same course the same way twice because every year there's something new to learn.
Photonics program prepared me for this job by teaching me all of the theory about how lasers work. And by knowing the theory, you can understand how they're physically built, understand how they operate, and get a good understanding of what you need to do to fix them, to operate them and such.
The job outlook is excellent in optics and photonics. In fact, over the past 3 months, I've had more than a dozen jobs sent to me by employers saying we need to fill this. In one case, one company needed 5 laser technicians immediately.
Hands-on learning through the College of Technology helps students learn what today's manufacturers need in the workplace. But sometimes employers can learn from students, as Don Peterson at the University of Connecticut Health Center discovered.
Here we do a lot of research on human performance and human function. We do research regarding ergonomics and ergonomic issues using tools in the field that are in practice in the workplace and also simulated here in the laboratory.
Don needed a prototype machine to help him develop a patent. He went to students at his Nunta Community College to get the job done.
I was able to go in there with a prototype design and some drawings and sit down with a team of students and machinists over there, and they were able to essentially tackle the problem right away with minimal discussion on my part.
With the right education, there are plenty of opportunities for young men and women in today's manufacturing. And if you think you aren't that good in math and science, don't let that stop you. Your local community college can help you get the skills you'll need to succeed.
We're very excited since the College of Technology was awarded by the National Science Foundation a Regional Center for Next Generation Manufacturing. The objective of this center is to provide training and opportunities for students in high-level skills that are going to respond to 21st century manufacturing companies.
The College of Technology is there to say, oh, you might be doing MIG, TIG, and ARC, but laser and electron beam is where you have to go. They are there to help us make sure that we are preparing our students for their futures.